My homemade lavender is really good.
This is nice and bitter the way I like it.
That's funny. That's so neat. We are here in Port Townsend and we are headed over to the Wooden Boat Festival. Last year when we brought you guys along, it was a little bit more chaos. But this year we started the day at a perfect time with an early ferry, and we have some exciting things going on today. Oh, cute. I love that there's just like a sea of bicycles.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, wonderful. Oh.
That wasn't here last year.
Okay.
He's back down the water.
The actual stuff.
Well, that's because there's a lot of...
The wheel on this thing.
That's very cool.
I took a picture of the back of you guys from up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need a hammock net. Crickets, we can have. Dang, this is one yellow boat. I like it.
It is indeed. Like yellow.
Oh, I love that all their shirts match. Peace. So big boy. Holy mugs. Wow.
They're all different signal flags.
Cool. Well, you've done a wonderful job. How long have you had this one?
We've owned it for 23 years.
Oh, wow.
We keep it in a boathouse,
Yeah.
which is important.
Smell it, bro.
But we use it a lot. You go to Alaska, we
Rather than just...
I was not really expecting to see you, sir.
Where are you going?
I don't know if that's the way you should go. We made it here to the Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival. This is the 2024 47th annual. 47th annual Port Townsend Wooden Boat Show.
I don't know if it's 47th or 48.
We'll see it on the shirt.
Yeah.
The weather today is perfect for this because it's, I don't know, it's not smoky, but it's not foggy, but it's overcasty, and I can wear a sweater.
Yeah.
We'll see how long that lasts. Oh, cool. There's the Froley and me. That's very cool.
So this here's a 22 foot 4 inch length of it. This would be a hair smaller, not by a lot, but a hair smaller than the one we'll go look at. And then this is 8 foot 4 inch beam. So probably similar beam.
There are so many unique boats here. This one is fully electric. Some Hilbies.
Really up there.
Oh, wow.
It's a Forest Service boat. The boat school refurbished it a bit, and one of the students bought it and made their home here.
I love that. There are so many different styles of nomadic living, and I just think it's really neat to see all the different ways that people do that.
Yeah. Totally dilapidated. The guy bought it and he rebuilt the whole thing in the boatyard here. There's a whole video series about this boat. He spent like 3 years or something basically replacing all the planks and everything on it.
The story of Tally Ho is absolutely intriguing. Make sure to check out the Samson Boat Co. YouTube channel. Oh, that can go on.
Flag and all.
I love that everybody here is just happy to be here. There's not any sour faces.
Yeah.
Except maybe a couple kids.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna run up on all the birds, but how cool would it be if they went phew. Everybody wants our parking space. All there. We're off to lunch, and you already know where we are headed. Over to CJ's for some super fresh seafood. Do the 4-piece of halibut, and then a cup of clam chowder, please.
We just have a van. Be careful because I think it is pretty hot.
Thank you. Between Eric and I am not usually the person that gets a new shirt, but this time I found something I just could not resist. Ugh. I love long sleeves, I love tank tops, and I love things that have a nice balance of black and white and color. And I love that it has stuff on the sleeve. Port Townsend, Washington. I'm very happy with this purchase. We just made the craziest and somehow cheapest purchase. Well, I guess that one trailer. We just made the craziest purchase that we have ever made.
Captain told me that I've got the lead light.
Yeah, you guessed it. We are bringing home a wooden boat of our own. Stay tuned. In our next episodes, you're going to be seeing a little introduction into the restoration of Eudora. Our first moments as giant boat owners together. Okay, 25 feet. Subscribe and make sure to check out copilotsexplore.com for merch and future updates, as well as recent uploads and travel suggestions.